Dirty gutters can attract snakes, insects, and sickness. So today, I'm cleaning everything to keep my children safe. Welcome back to another real life village mom vlog. Today, we are clearing the gutters, cleaning the environment, and making everywhere safe for the kids. If we leave this place dirty, mosquitoes and reptiles can hide here. Let's start cleaning little by little. I don't know how to use cutlass to clear grass. I prefer using hoe, but I don't have hoe right now, so that's why I'm using my hands to pull it. Thank God it's rainy season, the ground is soft, so it's easy to pull and it's faster. A clean environment is very important, especially when children play outside. I always try my best to keep everywhere neat despite daily stress. See, you can see a lot of grasses everywhere. A lot of grasses, dirty. Sometimes it's breeze. When rain wants to fall, the breeze that blow end up blowing nylon bags inside the gutter. And for the plastic bottles, I don't know who always drop them there. So, I have no choice than to do it. Because it's only me in this compound that have children, and they usually come outside to play. So I have to clean up to make the environment safe for them. Husband, I will have done it by weekend that he doesn't go to work. He has an official assignment to do. So I cannot leave this place more than this because the grass is already long. So that is why I just need to clear up the place. Not like I feel like doing it, but I just have to do it. I just have to do it. Even when tired. Do you like clearing the environment, like drainages, gutters? And which tools do you prefer to use? Let me hear from the comment section. This reminds me of farm work in the village. Till the land hand manually, you know. But we mostly use hoes to do farm work. I thank God my children are growing up. They do help me to wash the dishes. Most especially the last time they heard me complain when I broke down, like I wasn't feeling too well. Because I'm still trying to recover from my major surgery, CS delivery. And of course, the baby was on a big side, so I'm still recovering. So, packing the grasses outside to dispose them. New to you, I'll use it to fill up the potholes along the road. That's where I'll be trashing it. So, look at the difference. Now the environment is cleaner and safer. No matter how busy lives get, keeping the environment clean helps protect our children. If you enjoy this real life vlog, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Real life, real hustle, real love. One love.